Thinking about starting a YouTube channel in 2026? The best time to start is right now. The sooner you begin, the sooner you grow. And with the tools available today, there's no excuse not to start. Let's build your channel, step by step, starting today. Creating a YouTube channel can be an exciting venture, and understanding the steps involved is crucial for success. One of the most important aspects to consider is optimizing your channel for maximum views. This means paying attention to elements such as your channel name, description, and branding, which should all reflect your content and attract your target audience. Effective optimization also involves using relevant keywords in your video titles and descriptions, as this helps improve your visibility in search results. The potential for growth and success on YouTube as an online business is immense. So, if you're considering starting a channel, remember that the journey may be challenging, but the rewards can be significant. Creating a Google account is the first step toward launching your YouTube channel, and it's essential to follow the right process to ensure everything is set up correctly. When you begin, you'll be prompted to choose the type of account you want to create. If your channel is business-oriented, make sure to select the option labeled "For Work" or "My Business." This choice will help tailor your account settings and features to better suit your needs as a content creator. Once you've made your selection, you'll need to fill in your personal information, including your name and desired email address. An important step during the account setup is verifying your phone number. This verification process not only enhances the security of your account, but also allows you to recover it easily if you ever forget your password. Google may send you a verification code via text message, which you'll need to enter to complete this step. While it's highly recommended to verify your phone number, if you already have a Google account, you can skip this step. Simply log in with your existing credentials, and you'll be directed to the YouTube interface where you can start customizing your channel. Remember, having a verified account can provide additional benefits, such as access to advanced features like live streaming and custom thumbnails, which are crucial for growing your channel. Once your account is set up, take some time to explore the various settings and options available to you. This foundational step is vital for ensuring that your YouTube journey starts on the right foot, setting you up for success as you begin creating and sharing your content with the world. Creating a new YouTube channel under your Google account is a straightforward process that can set the stage for your content creation journey. Once you've logged into your Google account, navigate to YouTube and click on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Your Channel, and then you'll see an option to create a new channel. Here, you'll be prompted to name your channel. It's essential to choose a name that reflects your content and resonates with your target audience. Before finalizing your choice, take a moment to check for existing names to ensure that your desired name isn't already in use. This can help you avoid confusion and establish a unique brand identity. As you set up your channel, it's crucial to prioritize account security. One effective way to manage your passwords is by using a password manager like Bitwarden. This tool not only helps you create strong, unique passwords for your accounts, but also securely stores them, making it easier to access your accounts without the risk of forgetting your credentials. Additionally, if you're struggling to come up with a creative channel name, consider using ChatGPT. This AI tool can generate a variety of name ideas based on your interests and the type of content you plan to create. Simply input a few keywords related to your niche, and ChatGPT can provide you with a list of potential names that you can choose from or use as inspiration. Once you've settled on a name and secured your account, you're ready to customize your channel further, upload your first video, and start engaging with your audience. This foundational step is vital for establishing your presence on YouTube and setting the tone for your future content. Customizing your YouTube channel is essential for creating a professional look that attracts viewers and establishes your brand identity. The first step in this process is uploading a profile picture. This image should be a clear representation of you or your brand, as it will appear next to your videos and comments. To upload your profile picture, navigate to your channel, click on the profile icon, and select Change Picture. Choose an image that is visually appealing and easily recognizable, as this will help viewers connect with your content. Next, focus on creating a banner for your channel. A well-designed banner can significantly enhance your channel's appearance and provide important information about your content. For this, you can use a user-friendly graphic design tool like Snappa. Snappa offers customizable templates specifically for YouTube banners, allowing you to create a professional-looking design without needing extensive graphic design skills. Make sure to include your channel name, a tagline, and any relevant social media links to give viewers a clear idea of what to expect from your channel. The importance of a visually appealing channel layout cannot be overstated. A polished and cohesive design helps establish credibility and encourages viewers to subscribe. When your channel looks professional, it signals to potential subscribers that you take your content seriously. Don't hesitate to get creative with your channel graphics. Experiment with colors, fonts, and images that reflect your personality and the theme of your content. Unique and eye-catching designs can help you stand out in a crowded space, making it more likely that viewers will click on your videos. Remember, your channel is an extension of your brand, so invest the time and effort into making it visually appealing. By customizing your YouTube channel effectively, you'll create a welcoming environment that attracts and retains viewers, setting the stage for your success on the platform. Unlocking additional features for your YouTube channel is essential for enhancing your content and engaging with your audience more effectively. One of the first steps in this process is verifying your channel, which is crucial for enabling custom thumbnails. Custom thumbnails allow you to create eye-catching images that represent your videos, making them more appealing to potential viewers. To start the verification process, go to your YouTube studio, click on Settings, then Channel, and select Feature Eligibility. Here, you'll find the option to verify your account. You'll need to provide a phone number, and YouTube will send you a verification code via text message. Enter this code to complete the verification, and you'll gain access to custom thumbnails and other features. Phone number verification is not only important for enabling custom thumbnails, but also for unlocking various channel features. By verifying your phone number, you enhance the security of your account and ensure that you can recover it if needed. Additionally, this verification is often a prerequisite for accessing features like live streaming and community posts, which can significantly boost your channel's engagement. Furthermore, to add external links to your channel, such as links to your website or social media, you may need to verify your account further. This process typically involves confirming your identity and ensuring that your channel adheres to YouTube's community guidelines. By completing these verification steps, you'll unlock a range of features that can enhance your channel and help you grow your audience effectively. Optimizing your YouTube channel settings is crucial for improving visibility and engagement with your audience. One of the first steps in this process is to ensure that you select the correct country in your channel settings. This choice can affect the way your content is promoted and who sees it, as YouTube often tailors recommendations based on geographic location. Additionally, adding relevant keywords to your channel description can significantly enhance your discoverability. These keywords should reflect the themes and topics of your content, making it easier for potential viewers to find your videos when searching for related subjects. To further refine your keyword strategy, consider using tools like VidIQ. This powerful tool provides insights into trending keywords, search volume, and competition levels, allowing you to make informed decisions about which keywords to target. By incorporating these keywords into your video titles, descriptions, and tags, you can improve your chances of ranking higher in search results and attracting more viewers to your channel. Another essential aspect of optimizing your channel settings is setting upload defaults. This feature allows you to predefine certain settings for your videos, such as privacy options, categories, and tags. By establishing these defaults, you can save time and ensure consistency across your uploads. For instance, if you regularly create content in a specific niche, setting a default category and relevant tags can streamline the uploading process and help maintain your channel's focus. Additionally, consider customizing your video thumbnails and end screens to encourage viewer engagement. A visually appealing thumbnail can significantly increase click-through rates, while effective end screens can prompt viewers to subscribe or watch more of your content. By optimizing your channel settings in these ways, you'll create a more professional and engaging experience for your audience, ultimately leading to increased visibility and growth for your YouTube channel. Adding featured sections to your YouTube channel is an effective way to enhance viewer engagement and increase your overall views. One of the most impactful sections you can include is a popular videos section. This feature allows you to showcase your most successful content right at the top of your channel, making it easy for new visitors to discover what resonates with your audience. By highlighting these videos, you not only draw attention to your best work, but also encourage viewers to explore more of your content, potentially leading to increased watch time and subscriptions. In addition to featuring popular videos, consider creating playlists that group related content together. Playlists not only help organize your videos but also encourage binge watching, as viewers are more likely to continue watching when they can easily access a series of related videos. Furthermore, featuring other channels in your playlists can foster collaboration and community within your niche. By showcasing content from other creators, you can build relationships and potentially attract their audience to your channel, expanding your reach. Another valuable addition to your channel is a channel trailer. This short introductory video serves as a welcoming message for new visitors, providing them with a quick overview of what your channel is about and what they can expect from your content. A well-crafted trailer can effectively communicate your brand's personality and entice viewers to subscribe. Aim for a duration of around 30 to 60 seconds, focusing on your unique selling points and encouraging viewers to explore your videos further. By strategically adding featured sections like popular videos, playlists, and a channel trailer, you create a more engaging and organized experience for your audience. These elements not only enhance the visual appeal of your channel, but also encourage viewers to interact with your content, ultimately leading to increased views and a growing subscriber base. Filling out the basic information for your YouTube channel is a crucial step in establishing your brand and making it easier for viewers to connect with you. To begin, you may want to change your channel name and handle to better reflect your brand identity. This can be done by navigating to your YouTube studio, clicking on Customization, and then selecting the Basic Info tab. Here, you can enter a channel name that resonates with your content and audience. Your handle, which appears as your unique URL, should also be memorable and relevant to your brand, making it easier for viewers to find you. Next, focus on crafting a compelling channel description. This section is your opportunity to tell viewers what your channel is about and what they can expect from your content. To make this process easier, consider using tools like ChatGPT to generate ideas or even draft your description. By inputting key themes and topics related to your channel, you can receive suggestions that help you articulate your message clearly and engagingly. A well-written description not only informs viewers but also improves your channel's searchability, as it can include relevant keywords. Additionally, it's essential to include contact information for business inquiries. This can be done in the same basic info section. Providing an email address allows potential collaborators, sponsors, or brands to reach out to you easily. Make sure to use a professional email that reflects your brand, as this adds credibility and encourages business opportunities. Finally, don't forget to add links to your social media accounts or website. These links can be included in the Links section, allowing viewers to connect with you across different platforms. By filling out this basic information thoughtfully, you enhance your channel's professionalism and accessibility, ultimately attracting more viewers and fostering a stronger community around your content. Monetizing your YouTube channel is an exciting milestone that can turn your passion for content creation into a source of income. To begin this process, you need to meet the requirements for joining the YouTube Partner Program, YPP. First, your channel must have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 valid public watch hours in the past 12 months. Additionally, you need to comply with all of YouTube's policies and guidelines, including community guidelines and copyright laws. Once you meet these criteria, you can apply for monetization through your YouTube studio by navigating to the Monetization tab and following the prompts to submit your application. While working towards monetization, it's crucial to enhance the security of your account to protect your content and earnings. One effective way to do this is by enabling two-step verification. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring not only your password but also a verification code sent to your mobile device whenever you log in. This step significantly reduces the risk of unauthorized access to your account, ensuring that your channel remains safe as you grow. In addition to focusing on monetization and security, it's important to track your subscriber and watch time metrics regularly. Monitoring these metrics helps you understand your audience better and identify which content resonates most with them. YouTube Analytics provides valuable insights into viewer behavior, allowing you to adjust your content strategy accordingly. By analyzing trends in subscriber growth and watch time, you can make informed decisions about future videos, ultimately enhancing your channel's performance and increasing your chances of monetization. By following these steps, meeting the YPP requirements, securing your account with two-step verification, and tracking your metrics, you'll be well on your way to successfully monetizing your YouTube channel while ensuring its safety and growth. In this video, we've covered several key points essential for optimizing your YouTube channel for success. First and foremost, we discussed the importance of creating a professional and engaging channel layout. This includes customizing your profile picture and banner, as well as adding featured sections that highlight your best content. By doing so, you not only enhance your channel's visual appeal, but also make it easier for viewers to navigate and discover your videos. We also emphasize the significance of filling out your channel's basic information, including a compelling description and relevant links. This helps establish your brand identity and makes it easier for potential viewers and collaborators to connect with you. Additionally, we explored the steps to monetize your channel, highlighting the requirements for joining the YouTube Partner Program and the importance of securing your account with two-step verification. Engagement is a crucial aspect of building a successful YouTube channel, so we encourage you to take action. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and share it with others who may benefit from this information. Your support not only motivates us to create more valuable content, but also helps us reach a wider audience. Don't wait for next year. If you start now, you'll have momentum built by the time 2026 rolls in. Let's make 2026 the year your channel takes off, not the year you finally begin. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.